What up, guys? Out here at Andrew's house. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is trying to mount up these side skirts that I finally finished up with Julian. Julian's out here. Freddie's out. Yeah, so basically what we're going to be doing is that. Throwing those up. We're going to paint my hood today also. Because I got the master, repaint, yeah. Because basically what I did last time was I just found the closest red that I thought would match the car, and it actually didn't match at all. This red matches better, so I mean, it's rattle can, it looks good. This is his first impression of seeing them. How do they look? Check them out.
Yeah, they look great.
Right?
It's a lot nicer red too.
Minty, huh?
Did you clear those at all, or is
Nah,
it just like
just the red paint, bro.
Oh, hell yeah.
Right? That's what I did with the fenders, the same thing.
And then you're just gonna do the hood just like
Yeah,
that.
just same thing today. I already got the paint ready to go, dude. And they'll match real nice.
What are you doing over there?
So yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing there. I don't know what Andrew's got. What do you got for your car? Just chilling?
We're gonna light it on fire. Just watch it.
Oh, okay, just burn it down.
A 4-man horsepower burnout.
Yeah.
If you don't want to push it down the road with me, we can make a movie.
But yeah, so we're got that going on. Louie, Jesse are gonna be coming, hanging out. So yeah, let's just have a fun day. These are gonna look so freaking good on this car. I can't wait. Julian's over here primering the hood right now. We're waiting for, we grabbed one can earlier thinking that it would be enough, but with the elements coming into play,
Wind just blowing.
yeah, we're gonna,
This shit look like zebra stripes.
yeah, we're gonna need to get another can. So Andrew's on his way with another can, and then we have the red down there. So we already have 2 cans of that. So I know it takes 2 cans for the paint, but I totally forgot about the primer. So whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, so we out here, Freddie chilling.
A little.
So we're throwing the skirts on now while we're letting the primer dry on the hood. Basically what we did here is we threw up some 3M tape around the edges that are connected to the body, and then Julian said which is a good aspect of the drift light is we can just use zip ties on the inside here to also help keep it in place, so if the 3M did ever want to let go or whatnot, and if the side skirt actually came off,
Yeah. For if he ever bottoms out on the trailer, or if he blows a tire and the strap off the tire actually nicks the side right here, it'll just blow the skirt off instead of blowing it into pieces.
Yeah. Because fiberglass life.
Yeah.
Down there, like that.
Damn. So Julian's job on the hood. This is only 1 coat. Stunting.
I got red nose hairs, and I painted my arm red.
He does have red nose hairs. And then, boom, dude, this thing looks so sick. Fire, fire, fire. So the plan is to lower the fronts a little bit, to lower the rears for sure. But the thing is, I got to get the Eurolines on there. So that's the only thing that we're gonna have to work on, because the Eurolines are 18. So that's gonna be.
You gotta roll your fenders so it isn't baking out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You did to the other side.
Yeah, but it looks so freaking good. Like, he's taking a picture, boy. But dude, this thing is sick. Oh my god. Yeah, we're doing good, bro.
I should have never sold my Z.
We're doing good. We're doing good, bro. You all right over there?
Yeah.
I see some tears, bro. It's all right. It's all right. But yeah, we're about to actually give you guys a little bit of fun. I have to do a couple little things, but then we'll see what's up. Yeah, we're about to hit the Coldie. We're about to hit the Coldie.
He's about to try his first
Mexico?
reverse entry with the e-brake.
I'm not trying to blow up my skirts, bro. I'm not trying to blow up my skirts, bro.
Avoid the fire hydrant.
Andrew almost died.
All right, guys, so we just had like a little photo shoot together, and look at this. I was in the middle of telling them a story, and then all of a sudden I'm like, what the heck is that? Is that a mouse? Look at this thing. That thing is huge.
Just for reference, this spacer is a Tahoe spacer.
This is a Tahoe spacer.
He is the size of my thumb. Yo, where did that come from?
Oh my god, dude! I just saw him. Dude, I thought it was a mouse. I was like, yo, there's a mouse in your in your. What Holy crap, dude! What are you gonna do with him? You gonna kill him, or are you gonna let him free?
You know how nasty that would be?
Oh yeah, it would just be.
Juices
Yeah.
everywhere. I'm gonna leave him right there and let nature take its course.
Crazy, but yeah. So thank you to these guys again. Julian coming out here, helping out with all the freaking body work, the freaking paint, all that. Andrew coming out, freaking helping with the side skirt from hell, and the sick drift footage where I almost took him out. But
Coming at you later.
yeah, coming at you, dropping it. No, but thank you guys again for all the help, man. They keep ripping on me about getting a front bumper. So yo, you guys need to hit the like button, leave some comments. Yeah, leave some comments, man, because I need to get a freaking bumper. So help me out.
Support the man.
Yeah.
He needs the look. Let's go.
And not a Gretty bumper because he already had one.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but no, honestly, I had a blast with these dudes. I know that you guys are gonna love the footage coming up. So, I mean, that's about it, man. And this freaking bug, yo, that's freaking Billy the Bug, bro.
Dude, man, you don't. You let that thing just take its course. I am not fucking with something that looks that big.
What does he eat?
People.
People?
Small children.
Small children.
Where do you? How is he alive?
Adolescents?
This man been alive for a long time.
Yeah.
Stray cats go missing this weekend. We know where it went.
Stray cat. Yo, Freddy. Where's Freddy?
Yeah,
Freddy.
Freddy. He's over there.
You alive? Yeah. No, yo, Freddy gone. He got him, dude. He got him.
That's why he's
You
so
ain't
big.
Freddy, bro. All right, guys. So it's getting dark out. Thank you for watching. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Go out with the freaking dance party. But thanks, guys. I'll check you guys out. See you on the next one. Peace.